And Dina Smith was the winner at the Jamaican Invitational in the 200 meters. Dina Smith was able to defeat all the Jamaicans that raced against her at the Jamaican Invitational. A big shout out to Blood Europe channel because he is the inspiration behind this video. So Dina Smith did a very good job and she secured the first position, and this is the news in details. Now, Dina Smith won the women's 200 meters at the Jamaican Athletics Invitational, coming through with a time of 22.51 seconds. It was a narrow win over a very strong Jessica Bai, who really took the challenge to her, clocking a very personal best of 22.53 seconds, while the Jamaican Lani Tava Thomas was third position in 22.84 seconds. So it means that Jamaica came third while the Great Britain won the race in first position.